The report says that novel capabilities often emerge in more powerful models. Okay, fine. Some that are particularly concerning are the ability to create and act on long-term plans, to accrue power and resources, power seeking, and to exhibit behavior that is increasingly gigantic, as in acting like a subjective agent. But here surely they're just introducing the topic. What's bad about that? Well, it says some evidence already exists of such emergent behavior in models. Okay, that's pretty worrying. It goes on more specifically. Power seeking is optimal for most reward functions and many types of agents. And there is evidence that existing models can identify power seeking as an instrumentally useful strategy, meaning that OpenAI have detected that models that might include GPT-4 seek out more power. If you thought that was concerning, it does get worse.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.